Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Divinity in Destiny 2. First, head to the moon and pick up the Divine Fragmentation quest. You'll find the quest item near the entrance to the lunar battlegrounds. This initial step is crucial, as it unlocks the subsequent objectives needed to acquire this powerful exotic trace rifle. Make sure you have enough inventory space before starting. Next, you'll need to gather 120 Vex data fragments. These can be found by defeating Vex enemies and completing activities on the moon, such as public events and lost sectors. You'll also earn some fragments as you progress through the Garden of Salvation raid itself. Keep an eye out for Vex wherever you go to speed up this collection process. Once you've collected the data, the real challenge begins, solving 3 intricate puzzles inside the Garden of Salvation raid. These puzzles demand excellent team coordination and clear communication from all 6 Fireteam members. Each puzzle involves creating a continuous tether between Vex nodes, often under pressure. Practice and teamwork are key to success here. Finally, after successfully solving all 3 puzzles, you must complete the Garden of Salvation raid. This means defeating the final boss, the Consecrated Mind. Once the boss is vanquished, Divinity will drop as your reward. Congratulations, you've earned one of Destiny 2's most unique and powerful exotic weapons, ready to enhance your Fireteam's damage output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.